Guys, it's Friendly Advice. Today I am putting away my winter clothes and getting ready for the summer. So I'll show you some of the tips that I use to store my sweaters and winter clothes, okay? So let's get started. Just opened it up here. And it will become as normal. All my clothes feel fresh. So I have attached this vacuum to the bag and I'm going to turn it on, okay? So here we go. Turn on the vacuum. And you can see how it's sucking in all the air and making the bag nice and small. Basically, just make sure this is all sealed. It's going to remove all the air. You can use any vacuum cleaner and it will do the job. So all your sweaters, big towels, or anything that you want to seal, you can do that, okay? You'll save a lot of space and it will be great. There you go. Very easy. And now to open, if you wanted to remove the air, when the season change, you basically take this off right here and then you just open it like a Ziploc bag and the air will come out automatically, okay? Guys, you can have a look at the two bags. So I put same amount of sweaters and this one is I've vacuum sealed and this one is not vacuum sealed. So you can see how much space that could be saved if you buy these vacuum seal bags. So I usually put all my sweaters in there to save space and store it nicely, neat and clean, okay? So I highly recommend these bags for storing your various types of clothes that are not in use and seasonals, I guess, okay? So guys, I have two bags ready, nicely sealed. So have a nice summer, clean up your house, donate the clothes that you don't use, and the rest you can vacuum seal the way I did. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.